This is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS in factory color Bolero red, featuring a completely rebuilt, period-correct 396 cubic inch, 375 horsepower engine, 12-bolt 331 Positraction rear end, and factory 15x7 rally wheels. This car is built for speed. Enjoy the thrill of shifting through an M20 Muncie 4-speed transmission from the factory bucket seats. Factory tach, gauges, and console will throw you back to '67, and the power steering and power front disc brakes make this car a dream to drive. If performance is your priority, this car will fulfill your desires. Purchase your ticket today at puregiftofgod.org/car-raffle. Only 1,500 tickets will be sold, so reserve yours now.